Hello my dear friends, have a nice day. Today we discuss about inborn errors of metabolic disorder with a reference to Hartnup disease. I am Dr. V. Mahendra Mani, Assistant Professor of Biochemistry, Islamia College, Vaniyammadi. So Hartnup disease is an inherited autosomal recessive metabolic disorder. In this condition, there is a mutation in the gene responsible for the transport of some amino acids. For example, that mutation in the gene SLC6A19, the gene that provides instruction for making a protein, namely B081, that denotes a transporter of neutral amino acid from the intestine and then kidney, which is primarily found embedded in the membrane of intestine and kidney cell for the transport of amino acid. The function of this protein is transport certain amino acid into the cell. The causative gene SLC6A19 is located on the chromosome 5. It is an sodium dependent and chloride independent neutral amino acid transporter. It expressed predominantly in kidney and intestine. This is the structural representation where the amino acid transferred from the intestinal lumen to the cellular cytosol, where the lumen surface as sodium dependent amino acid transporter. In the Hartnup disease, this transporter as the defect. So defect in the transporter that leads to increase in the accumulation of amino acids in the urine. So it's called as amino aciduria. That leads to so many disorder. We're going to see the neutral amino acid which are transported by these transporters are serine, threonine, glutamine, asparagine, alanine, valine, leucine, isoleucine, phenylalanine, tyrosine, tryptophan and histidine. In this Hartnup disease is also known as pellagra-like dermatosis because the symptoms and the defect which leads to defect in the vitamin B synthesis also. So it is also autosomal recessive metabolic disorder affecting the absorption of non-polar amino acid, which particularly tryptophan, that can in return converted into serotonin, melatonin and niacin. So niacin is the precursor for nicotinamide. So this NAD play important role in various metabolism, carbohydrate metabolism, protein metabolism, amino acid metabolism and some vitamin synthesis that play important role. So defect in that causes various disorders. That mutation also cause difficult for your body to absorb certain amino acid from the intestine to the cell or from your intestine and a absorption from them from your kidney. So it is also defect in the absorption of amino acid in the intestine and also defect in the absorption of same amino acid from the kidney also. So it leads to increased amount of amino acid excretion in the urine. The National Organization for Rare Disorder reports that Hartnup disease is estimated about 1 in 30,000 people in the United States. The onset of Hartnup disease is a childhood, usually in the children who age 3 to 9 years, but it may be present early as 10 days after birth also. The Hartnup disease was named because of the Hartnup family who had a disorder for 4 out of 8 family members were found to have excess amino acid in the urine called amino aciduria. They also had skin rash that are the symptoms which due to the defect in the gene. Lack of coordination of their voluntary muscle movement known as ataxia. These are signs and symptoms of Hartnum disease, which typically affect the skin and brain. So Hartnum disease manifested by wide clinical spectrum. The most patients remain asymptomatic, but in minority of patients, skin photosensitivity, neurological, psychiatric symptoms may have a considerable influence on quality of life. Rarely, the Hartnum disease leads to central nervous system involvement, may leads to death also. Mental retardation and short stature have been described for few patients. The causes of disease is autosomal recessive disorder. In that condition, both parents who have genetic mutation that is transferred from the parents to newborn. So there is a 25% of chances of the affected, 50% of chances of carrier, 25% is unaffected. Symptoms. The symptoms which is include diarrhea, sensitivity to light, that means photosensitivity, uncoordination movement due to central nervous system defect, skin rashes, anxiety, rapid mood swing, mood disorder, delusions. These are the skin rashes which found in the Hartnum disease. Hallucinations, intention tremors, speech difficulties, unsteady wide-based gait, that means abnormal locomotion movement, nervous system neurological problems such as abnormal muscle tone, sensitivity to light, red scaly skin rash, usually skin is exposed to sunlight. Diagnosis. The renal aminoaciduria is a hallmark for the disorder because the amino acid cannot be absorbed in the intestine and cannot be reabsorbed in the urine, kidney. So all the amino acids are excreted in the urine. So aminoaciduria is a hallmark for this disorder. Photosensitivity dermatitis, skin rashes, pellagra or niacin deficiency, vitamin deficiency, also the diagnosis for the Hartnum disease. Treatment. Dietary restriction, because I already mentioned the inborn cirrhosis of metabolism, there is no specific treatment for the disease, but we can treat the symptoms. Reduce the amount of particular amino acid in the diet. Allow the kidney to clear excess amino acids more easily by increasing the liquid content in the diet. Vitamin supplement, because most of the vitamin B complex is defect in this Hartnum disease. So vitamin supplement may help the body to utilize the amino acid more effectively. Eating healthy, high protein diet can relieve the symptoms and prevent them from recurring. Avoiding sun exposure by wearing protective cloth, taking supplement containing nicotine or nicotinamide, undergoing psychiatric treatment such as use antidepressant, mood stabilizer, mood swing, psychiatric problem occurs due to the Hartnum condition. The vitamin niacin is given as a treatment. Some patient may require dietary supplement of tryptophan. Thank you, my dear participant. If you like this video, kindly subscribe it. Thank you.